Often and often we want to help people, but the truth is this: the result we get makes us to feel depressed, disappointed, frustrated, and sometimes we lose our peace. May I tell you that not everyone needs your help and not everyone you can help. In this episode today, I want to share with you 6 types of people you can never help. It doesn't matter the kind of help you want to render to them. Please help us to grow our channel by clicking the subscription button, like the video, put in the comments if you have experienced any of these systems we want to share, and also share to friends who can benefit in our video, and hit the notification button so we know when we upload another videos. Grab your pen and grab your paper and let's journey together. Number 1, non-transparent people. There are people in your life that you want to help, but the truth is that they are not transparent. They sugarcoat topics, they sugarcoat issues, the things you already know. They are not transparent. Do you know the dangerous part of helping these people? The more you are penetrating to know more, the more they feel like you are crossing boundary. And guess what? It can lead to insult. It can lead to depression. It can lead to you are prognosing. So what do? If someone comes and you see that this person need your help, but this person is not transparent, what do you need to do? Help the person based on information he or she provided. Don't shoot to know more, because the truth is this: you can't inject help in somebody's life. Somebody have to be transparent in order for you to know how to help the person. This will help you not to be insulted, not to be frustrated, and not to lose your peace. Number 2, I too know people. There are people that knows too much that you can't help. No matter whatever you want to help them, they feel like whatever information, whatever you know, whatever you want to say, they already know it. And this group of people is their ego that is making them not to bend down, to learn, or to receive the help you are offering to them. So what do you do when you meet this kind of people? Never you ever waste your energy in them, because the truth is this: no matter whatever you want to help them with, they already know what you want to tell them, even when they do not know anything, even when they are struggling. So don't waste your energy trying to help them, because they will not accept it. Their ego will not allow them to accept it. Number 3, people who want results but not process. This group of people, no matter how you want to help them, what they want is the results. They want the prize, not the prize. They don't want to suffer anything, because in their life, what they only see is obstacles, challenges, reasons why it will not work. So many what if. And the truth about those people is this: when you push to help them, if what you try to help them doesn't really work, do you know what they will say? They will tell you that they already told you it will not work. So they will push it to you that you are the cause of it doesn't work. So what do you need to do with these people? When you meet this kind of these people, do you know what you will do? Help them to walk through process so that they can learn from the process as well. Number 4, comfort zoners. This group of people are comfortable with their results in their comfort zone. The truth about them is, no matter what you tell them, as long as they are thinking, as long as they are seeing a little result from what they are doing, you cannot help them, because they are comfortable in their zone. They don't want anything that will stretch them or will stress them. They don't want anything that will challenge them. They don't want anything that will trouble them. So this kind of people, no matter what you do, they will not accept your help. Instead, what do? When you meet this kind of comfort zoners, just encourage them to try something new. But if they don't want to accept it, please pack your piece and go. Before we move on, my YouTube friends, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, hit the notification button, share in the comments if you have experienced any of these things we are talking about, and I would love to read your comments. Number 5, thank you and save your help. Why did I call them thank you and save your help? Have you ever come to someone you truly know that this person need help? You truly know that this person need help, and you have something in you that can help this person. And when you approach this person to help this person, the thing you will get is thank you, save your help. So this kind of person, I call them do it myself. Even when it is not working, they want to do it by themselves. They want to keep struggling. They love struggling. They love pushing what is not working. So what do you need to do? Save your help. In as much as they say thank you, save your help. Please save your help so you can save your peace and not be hurt. The last but not the least is people who need help but they are not ready for the help. There are some people, they know, yes, I need help, but they are not ready to accept the help. No matter what, it seems like you are the one infusing and injecting help to them. So no matter what you do, until they are ready to accept the help, that is when they can accept it. If you notice that they are not ready to accept the help, all you need to do is keep your help until when they are ready, when they need you. If they don't need you, don't try to give it to them, because it is useless giving it to somebody who will not value what you are giving to them. Thank you so much, my YouTube friends. I hope you learned a lot. Please don't forget to put in the comments your takeaway if you have experienced any of this, and I will see you in another episode. Shalom.